going on, bro?
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a room tour of my room here at university. Yeah, I'm just going to show you my room and what I've done with it because I am trying to be a minimalist, but it's hard. I'm doing this video for people who are thinking of coming to the University of Birmingham and want to stay at Battersea Park. It's a new accommodation and it's ran by Unite students, which is like a really popular accommodation people group thing. Yeah guys, I'm just gonna start talking and get into the room tour. Let's go. Okay, so as you walk in, this is the door that you like obviously you come in through. My ensuite bathroom is here. So over here I've just got an umbrella because it is always raining in Birmingham. I don't know what it is, what's going on, but it's always raining in Birmingham. And then over here I keep my bags. So this is my uni bag, and then this is my bag for when I'm like going somewhere or doing something. And I also keep my lanyard with my ID and my key fob and my mailbox and this cute little thing that my friend Henrietta got for me. I've got my notice board. This is like the best society that I've joined since being at uni. I love it there. And I got a couple like, you know, inspirational Bible verses to keep me going. Just like gym stuff and like this £10 off Uber Eats that I'm yet to use. As you come over here, you've got a little mirror. So this is the wardrobe. Guys, this wardrobe is so small. I don't want to show you my full wardrobe because it's a bit of a mess. But I'll show you one side of the wardrobe just so you understand how small it is. And as you come along here, you've got a desk. And it comes with these drawers. I moved these around. So this drawer and that drawer over there was actually in that corner. I put one of them here. I put another one in that corner there. So yeah, my basket full of makeup and all my makeup brushes. In here, I don't really know what to use this for, but I keep all my cables for like my guitar, my amp, if I ever have a microphone. And I've got an iron, even though the accommodation comes with an iron as well. And then down here, just keep some cotton buds, some white bags for like bin liners. And this is like a box that came with the room from like the Unite students people. I can't even remember what was in it, to be fair, but there was like a free Nando's which I used. And then down here I keep all my beauty products like face washes, hair stuff, combs, lotions, you name it. And then, oh yeah, you've got my bed, 3/4 bed. And I also want to show you guys, like down here, there's like this thing and it's like a plug and thing for your charger. It's on these ones as well. You've got another notice board thingy. Yeah, and there's this thing that I got from the Christian Union during Freshers Week. And I really liked it, so I thought I'm gonna stick that up. And then I created this thing because I didn't have anywhere to keep all my necklaces and I hate them getting tangled, so I created this thing with notice board pins. So then up here, I don't know why I keep my drinks in there, but yeah, and then down here I've got my folders. I actually need to cross this out and write the correct module. And I've got these cute little fairy lights, but you can't really see them because it's like during the day, but at night they're like really pretty. This whole area it's just documents and stuff. I've not really found a use for this top one, but I'm just gonna leave it like that because I like it empty. And then this area, this is where I usually keep my camera when I'm not using it, of course. So my camera and my baby tripod sits there, but my big tripod is in this corner here. Anyway, and then over here I have got my Bible, and then I've got, these are my journals. This is the New Testament Experience from Hillsong Church that my friend got for me. And then over here I've got perfumes. I don't really use these of these three. I usually use the Beyonce one and the VS one. Up here I've got all my books. Over here I've got my bags, and in here I think it's hats and just miscellaneous, like loads of just random stuff in there. And then in this corner here I just keep both my guitars. This is my view. Up here I stuck a mirror here because The only other mirror is obviously over there, and when I'm doing my makeup I like to have to see what it looks like in natural lighting, so what better place to put it than right in front of a window. And I stuck it with command strips, so I just put a command strip there and a command strip there, and then you just stick it on and it stays there. Yeah, and then on the back of that I just keep information about my camera, and then I've got some guitar theory, pentatonic scale, and then in this corner here I've got my baby amp. Anyway, so because I didn't have that much wardrobe space, I just decided to get a rail, and I got this rail from Facebook Marketplace for £5. I keep my shoes down here because I'm not quite sure where else to keep them. Okay, and then let's go into the bathroom. This is the shower, and then up there I keep my soap. This is my sink area, just pretty self-explanatory. Hand wash, toothbrush and toothpaste. Down here I've got a bin, and then cleaning products. You aren't allowed to light candles, so that candle is probably not gonna get lit. I keep actually I can't open that, but I keep lady stuff and cleaning products in this one. And yeah, that's just the bathroom. This is the end of the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're thinking about studying at the University of Birmingham, or you've got an offer, I definitely would recommend staying here, because this is one of the best not even one of the best, this is the best accommodation that the university offers. And you can only apply for this accommodation through the student living portal on the university website. So you can't go on to Unite Students and then try to apply for here, because you're not gonna get it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the thumbs up button, and follow me on Instagram. It's TTENDAII. Bye. There's love.